Hey, what's up? It's Stefan back at you. We're going to look at Noah's collaboration with Feminist Bird Club.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
Okay, first things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that like button. We're going to tear into this Noah long sleeve with Feminist Bird Club. Check it out. Noah is definitely trying to be zero carbon emissions, just making sure that the planet is being taken care of. In this packaging, they did give me a receipt, and then they gave me a Noah transparent sticker. So whatever color you put this on, the blue and the red are gonna show up, but then all this white is just gonna be transparent. That's how they do their stickers. I'll definitely have to start sticking some around, get their name out there. And then we'll go ahead and look at the tag on this long sleeve, or I mean the tag on the plastic of this long sleeve. There it is. Got some warning information down below. Nothing on the back here. Feminist Bird Club is all about bringing awareness to endangered species, and I want to be a part of that. I want to help our birds, especially here in North America, be flourishing, be doing well. And so they do have a duck on the front, right underneath the Noah logo, where you would normally see that red cross on there. And here we go on the back. Feminist Bird Club, established 2016. On the side, here I'll flatten it out for us. Extinction is forever. Oh man, yeah, if there's no more of a certain animal, I mean, it's not like we can get them back. We don't got a lab to do that. Come on. But anyways, I'll go ahead and show you the tag on the back of the neck for this ethically produced apparel. There's that tag. Made ethically in Honduras. They're making sure they're taking care of their people. Underneath, size large, care instructions. And looks like that is it for the tags. So anyways, I did buy a few of those recycled, 100% recycled Noah shirts. They're made from recycled cotton. I purchased those to be able to paint my latest graphic on. I've been using these organic tees, and they're really nice. I still have a bunch of these. I can definitely make some for anybody out there who wants me to. Hit me up on Instagram. But yeah, I do have the organic Noah tee as well. That one is more expensive because the t-shirt itself was $55. And so yeah, hit me up. I might be able to get your size from Noah and then print it on there for you. Right now I've got a couple of extra large sizes left. And so anyways, I will throw on this large size. This one here is a large size as well. Keep in mind I'm 6'1", about 145 pounds. I got this Noah tee from their collaboration with B52. Amazing band. Check them out if you want to just chill, have a good time, listen to some old time music. I mean, sometimes I really am in the mood for old time music, not always. A lot of times I just want to hear something really vibey and just some of that new sound and whatnot. My buddy Keenan Yu, he's been my friend since I was a child, and he wrote that new song that is in my last video with these New Balance, This Is Never That. So definitely check out his song, and it's not released anywhere except for on that video, so hopefully he puts it on his SoundCloud soon. Maybe if you're watching this later on in the future, he might have already done it, which cool deal. But anyways, I'm gonna throw on this long sleeve. Let's check out how it fits. And there we go. Yeah, this definitely fits like a large, maybe a tiny bit oversized, so keep that in mind. Don't need to size up on this. If you want, you could possibly size down. The sleeve length is pretty nice, but yeah, you might want to just get your true to size with this tee. It might be the best option for you. It has some nice length to it, maybe a little bit extra than a standard size large. So yeah, tiny bit oversized, but yeah, we rocking those oversized fits. They look pretty chill. It's kind of the style right now to have things oversized, especially according to Jerry Lorenzo or Kanye West or Cactus Plant Flea Market. I mean, they can be a little bit different because each item is different with the Cactus Plant Flea Market. Sometimes they go way oversized, sometimes they go kind of undersized almost, but for the most part, oversized is a vibe that people are going with right now. So anyways, now before I let you guys go, I do want to shoot some positivity at you from the book of Matthew in the Bible, chapter 6, verses 19 through 21. I definitely like to read it a lot of different books. Bible is one of them. It has a lot of good information in there. You just got to be careful because, it's been translated so many different languages, and yeah, the dialect is different, and you got to think about wordplay and things like that people did back then. So anyways, I'm going to read this for you. Do not lay up for yourselves treasure on earth, where moth and rust destroy, and where thieves break in and steal. But lay up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where neither moth nor rust destroys, and where thieves do not break in and steal. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Alright, so first off, I believe that heaven is a time here on earth where everybody is working together in harmony, working as a community, taking care of everything, being mindful of their ethics and being mindful of this planet and making sure it survives and is taken care of. I don't believe heaven is some far off place that you go to after you die or something. That has been a popular translation. It's made a lot of conversions in the past. It's worked really well for different government structures to control populations, but really is not the way that the people back when the Bible was written would see the word heaven or understand that word. That's just not really how it was, regardless of all the teachings that people have today to, you know, like I said, convert mass groups of people and to build funds for whatever their agendas are or whatever. Anyways, so to build up treasure in heaven instead of on earth is to be working each moment. Be conscious of all the people around you, how you affect them with each of your actions, how you affect things with your purchases. Some people may look at me who are really judgmental and think, oh, you're storing up for yourself all these treasures on earth. Well, that's not really where my heart is. I mean, I love art, I love fashion. I've always been a very artistic mind. You're not going to be able to take that out of me. I'm definitely a creator, and I've been like that my whole life, like I said. So it definitely is okay to go after your dreams, go after those things that you're passionate about. Another cool thing about this brand, Noah, is that they are trying to make the world a better place, basically create heaven down here on earth like the Bible talks about. And so they're definitely a good brand to get behind, make some positive changes in this world, and just let people know we can be into art, we can be into different streetwear, and you know, we can make this planet a better place at the same time. So anyways, I love you all. Thanks for following along with these videos. If you watch a bunch of them, that really helps me out just to get the word out there. Definitely share this content if you can. Share it on your social media. Let's just show the world the real change starts with each and every interaction that we have every single day, every single decision. We can make this world a better place and create a community where we are all working together in harmony, helping out our fellow man, all those people that are maybe struggling. We can lift each other up, you know, be each other's help. So anyways, I'm gonna sign out. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work, but it's that one trying to get